Nano-Concepts is a suite of businesses that serve very specific, underserved niche market, whether it be in floor safety or environmentally responsible ceiling restoration, or most recently, nanotechnology-based coatings that inhibit the spread of germs. Our primary is nano-grip floor safety, where we do a chemical treatment on the floor, which actually renders it less slippery wet than dry. We have a couple of add-on businesses. Nano-Clean is environmentally responsible ceiling restoration, and it's a process whereby using a detergent-based solution, we restore acoustical ceilings at about a third of the cost of painting or replacing them. And our newest offering is Nano-Shield, a nanotechnology-based antimicrobial shield which prevents the spread of germs and reduces odors in the workplace. All of our services are extremely easy to operate.
You know, we've designed our businesses to be so simple that really anyone can do it. With any of our business systems, you don't need any special tools, you don't need a special vehicle, any special licenses. What we have put together is a very portable business which can easily be run out of your home, and it will easily fit in most cars. The person who fits our business, they do not need industry experience. They have a great passion to help and protect people in their business. You know, they generally have a positive mental attitude. They want to have a real purpose in life that aligns them with their core values. They're independent and motivated. You know, our business opportunity is structured where it doesn't restrict anyone from really starting their own business.
We're not a franchise, we're a business opportunity, which means no royalties, no franchise fees. The only way that we continue to make money from our operators is through their reorder of supplies.
You know, our business is really family-oriented. We consider all our operators part of a family. We are passionate about providing the support that someone needs starting a new business. And we have many, many business tools that we offer to help them. We can generally have a new operator up and running within 30 days. And that's amazing to start a business. Something that's very exciting is every business that has ceilings and floors is a potential customer for Nano-Concepts and for our operators.
We basically solve businesses' problems. We solve problems that other people can't help them with. The margins are extremely good in our business. We charge by the square foot, so it's easy to price. It's easy for a client to understand why we're charging what we charge, whether it be the problem of slip and falls on their floors, or the problem of dingy and unsanitary ceilings, or the problems of spreading disease in their workspace. It's a great business to be in because not only do we make a good living, but we're helping save lives and making other people's lives better.